Welcome to Never Done Projects,
Randy Hutchins
where we are just
in
a
his
silly little YouTube channel.
1993 Chevy Camaro Z20.
Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and consider joining the
Yeah,
member
earlier
on
we
the
had
wall
Randy Hutchins Jr. Now we got Randy Hutchins the third.
for only $4.99 a month.
Well, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, to include but not exclude aliens. That gets harder and harder to say every time, but how we doing? It's hump day, Mike. Wednesday, June the 10th, 2026. It's a balming 82 degrees and probably 80-90% humidity. So yeah, it's like I went to church. I'm sweating. Didn't really have much of a plan today outside of maybe instead of rambling so much, I gotta start working. Nah. Anyway, we got a 185 60 15 Thunderer 70,000 mile tire. They're gonna go on our old XP, the 2005 blue XP that used to be Stevens, the not so sexy B. They called yesterday, the people who bought it from Steven, and said, hey, we would like a set of tires. So we priced them to them. Hell, I don't remember what they were. But I think it was $100 a piece, so $439, $430, something like that. For all four put on and everything. Taxes are a SOB, but I don't think it's too bad. It was like $12 more than the cheapest set of Leos, but a Leo's a 45,000 mile tire. This is a 70,000. It was $18, $20 more for these. So they elected for these. They seem to be pretty happy with the price, so they're on their way. They should be here hopefully sooner than later, and once they get here, we'll turn you back on and we'll bada bing, bada boom, get the tires put on for the old XP. So after that, what time is it? 1:30? Yeah, after that, still ain't gonna be time for Dad to be here, so we'll find something else to do. But yeah, y'all, let's do something today we can smile about tomorrow. And let's work our asses off to make today's haters tomorrow's waiters at the table of success. And it's okay to be tired, it's just not okay to give up. So talk to you soon. Thank y'all.
Got 100 thoughts in my pocket today. One says move fast, one says stay. One wants a calendar, one wants a sign, one wants to solve it before lunchtime. I pace the room, then I check the clock. My head keeps saying don't let it stop, but I can't feel what my chest already knows. I need to say it out before it grows, 'cause if I keep it in Yeah. Got our old XB in the shop, and she a sight for sore eyes. New owner at the wheel today, same grin, same old ride. New tire stacked by the door, fresh black, ready to roll. Small changes on a working girl, same bones we always knew. I swear I seen that frame before, that stubborn little stance. She kept her soul through every mile. Now she got one more chance. Hold up, these tires might not fit. Hold up, tell me quick, tell me this. Same old bones, still kicking like before. Same old bones, but she need a little more. No, same old bones, tell me will they sit? Hold up, these tires might not fit. Shop floor bright with afternoon dust on the silver trim. Owner says she's gonna shine if the rubber matches him. We laughed while they rolled them close, then paused at the sidewall tread. That nervous look, that knowing look went right back through my head. Because she's tough, but she's not wide, and time don't bend for free. We love her just the way she is, but maybe not literally. Hold up, these tires might not fit. Hold up, tell me quick, tell me this. Same old bones, still kicking like before. Same old bones, but she need a little more. No, same old bones, tell me will they sit? Hold up, these tires might not fit. Maybe it's the size, maybe it's the years. Maybe your love always brings a little doubt and tears. But if they trim it right and she rolls out straight, we'll be there at the curb watching her reclaim her place. Hold up, these tires might not fit. Hold up, tell me quick, tell me this. Same old bones, still kicking like before. Same old bones, but she need a little more. No, same old bones, tell me will they sit? Hold up, these tires might not fit. Side for sore eyes in the shop today. Same old bones, just rolling in a new way. Yeah, she's still the one we love. Though I got a sneaking feeling they might be too much.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for it to do last time. That's what was weird to me. Why is this thing not going on?
I did everything right. I tried to do everything right. I did everything right, and it still went wrong. You did everything right. You tried to do everything right. You did everything right, and it still went wrong, but you do it anyway. You do it anyway. You do it anyway. You do it anyway. Did I do anything wrong? Was I wrong? Did I do anything wrong? Is it all my fault? You did everything right. You tried to do everything right. You did everything right, and it still went wrong, but you do it anyway. You do it anyway. 'Cause that's life.
All right, everybody, welcome back. Hey, guess what? I did absolutely nothing after realizing those tires were the wrong size. Yay. So his new tires will be in tomorrow. Who knows? We might try to use those tires for burnout tires. Probably not. But hey, y'all hear that? It's not Black Betty this time. It's Dad on the skid steer, doing skid steer things without the camera. He should really be ashamed of himself for this. We got this thing called a YouTube channel.
Go ahead, say some smart ass shit. I'm waiting.
I figured you left this. I thought I would bring it to you.
I forgot all about it. I appreciate you taking care of things and being on top of it and reminding me we had a channel. The other way.
Here. I can't see what they see. All right, everybody, y'all have fun with Dumb Junior.
Appreciate it. Look at her, everybody. He can jump.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope to see you tomorrow for another episode of Never Done Projects. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share with a friend. And tell them if these idiots can do it, we can too.